This week, the American people came together with families and friends to carry on this distinctly American tradition. We gave thanks for loved ones and for our lasting pride in our communities and our country. We took comfort in good memories while looking forward to the promise of change. But this Thanksgiving also takes place at a time of great trial for our people. Across the country, there were empty seats at the table as brave Americans continue to serve in harm's way from the mountains of Afghanistan to the deserts of Iraq. We honor and give thanks for their sacrifice and stand by the families who endure their absence with such dignity and resolve. Earlier this week, I announced my economic team. And this talented and dedicated group is already hard at work crafting an economic recovery plan that will create or save 2.5 million new jobs while making the investments we need to fuel long-term economic growth and stability. But this Thanksgiving, we're reminded that the renewal of our economy won't come from policies and plans alone. It will take the hard work, innovation, service, and strength of the American people.